Hello everyone, welcome to the Xampp series. Today in this series we are going to install the Xampp server and then we are going to cover different topics on the Xampp. So what we are going to cover, so let's get started. So here we are going to first download and install the Xampp into the Windows operating system. So if you are using different one, you can also download it from the Apache website. Okay, then we are going to open the phpmyadmin. So this is basically for beginner how they can open the phpmyadmin, and then we are going to move to the next how to run Xampp localhost and MySQL automatically. So when you click on the icon of Xampp, so you don't want to start the Apache and MySQL servers manually, so how to run them automatically. And then we are going to cover this how to run Xampp as administrator. So it's mandatory because when you close the Xampp, so it will throw an exception that you need to run you cannot destroy this task, right? So you need to manually go to the taskbar and then end this task, right? And then last amazing steps. So we are going to downgrade and upgrade PHP version into our into this Xampp version, right? So there is two ways. The first one is to install the exact version. So if you want to install the Laravel 8, not Laravel 8, so basically I am shooting different videos on the Laravel nowadays, that's why I am saying that it's Laravel. So basically I am saying about this PHP version. So how you can upgrade or downgrade your PHP version. So there is two ways. The first one is you need to go to the website. The website is apachefriends.org, and directly download the full setup of Apache and install it into your project. And then a scenario came that you are using PHP 8 and you require PHP 7. So then again go to the apachefriends.org website and download the full setup and install it. But it's a little bit bigger and it's consume the our internet package, right? And it takes more time. So I will also tell you that what's the shorter way. So second one is shorter way. So just download the Apache and PHP files and then add them into your Apache, add them into your Xampp project directory, and then this will change your project version, right? So we are going to walk through all of the process. So let me also check the video size. No, it's not going bigger. So in this video we are going to first install the Xampp, and then we are going to download this, and then we are going to install. So just type here Apache friends. Oops, why my texture, why it's not suggesting me? apachefriends.com. okay, no, not .com, it's org. So you can also view it from here. So it's Apache friends, and yes, it's opening. And let's go here, and now I'm in the Windows. So if you are using Linux or this MacBook, so you can download it from there by clicking on it, but I'm downloading this for my Windows, so I'm clicking on this Windows. So this is the latest version of PHP or Xampp, right? So basically what is Xampp? So Xampp basically provide us a local environment for PHP development, right? And also providing us different services like MariaDB, MySQL and stuff like that, right? So basically in this series we need only two. The first one is PHP and second one is MySQL. I'm going to install this for the click on this Xampp for Windows, and it's going to install this, and yes, it's now downloading. So it's 165 MB. So I'm going to cancel this out because I have already downloaded this file for saving the time. So let's go to the downloads, and then I'm going to install this through this. Yes, it's this one, right? So when you download this, so it will look like this. So it's 164 MB. So let's double click on it. So I'm going to install this one, right? So first it's ask us the administrator permission. I'm clicking on it, yes. And what's the next step? So I will walk through all of the process, don't worry. I most of the time I shoot full series from 0 to hero. So I know that beginners can't understand from straightforward way, that's why I'm doing this from 0 to hero. So you, by the way, you can also check my Laravel series, so I will tell you in a minute. So let's click on this continue, yes, and then this will throw the warning. So you don't need to take care about the warning. You are a developers, and developers are only responsible for errors, not for the warning. So let's click on this next, and yes, let's click on this next, and here this is telling us that it will install this Xampp into the C/Xampp directory. Click on next, and it says that selected folder is not empty, right? Why it's saying that? Because I installed the Xampp, and this Xampp directory exists in my C drive. In your case, if you did not install this Xampp, it's not exist. So let me go here and first remove this directory, and then I will go to the next step. So this one, Xampp directory in the C drive. So I'm going to delete this one, and then I'm going to install this Xampp through this setup. So let's wait for a moment to complete this process, and then we are going to move further. Okay, so now it's recycling in, and let me also open here my YouTube channel to tell you that who I am. And okay, it's telling that to close action. It's open. No, it's not open. What's it? Oh, so let me close this out. Abort the, yes, I want to abort this. Let's remove this directory again, and then I'm going to install this once again. So here it's downloading, not downloading, it's going to deleting this stuff. Now let me open the YouTube channel here, and then I'm going to tell you that what I'm doing nowadays. It's a career development lab. By the way, I'm shooting the videos from this Camtasia studio. So if you know someone lighter version which is professional for the video, so please suggest me. My PC gets slowed down when I do the same like shoot the videos and run different services. Okay, so it's still throwing that because of an open file. Oh, why it's throwing this? Because I uninstalled my Xampp server and I did not restarted my PC, so that's why it's throwing this like this. So I need to stop all of the Apache services, and then I need to remove this one, right? Okay, so basically it's not going to execute. Let me find the Xampp services here. Basically this one is a PHP, so let me remove these PHP services from there, because I'm running this PHP through this one. So here I'm going to uninstall this one again. Okay, let's search for career development lab. So this is my official YouTube channel where I'm shooting different videos, and there is 400 videos, and most of the 350 plus videos on the Laravel. So I'm shooting different playlists on the Laravel, like jQuery Ajax with Laravel, VS Code, Laravel PDF, Laravel 9 core. So if you are a PHP developer, you can learn the Laravel 9 from scratch to advanced level. So I'm shooting this in the Hindi, so you can easily understand it. And if you are familiar with the English, so you can watch my English Laravel series, right? So where it is, so it's this one, Laravel step by step. So let's go here and check that our directory, and yes, it's removed. And now I'm going to install this again. So let me check the video size, and yes, it's going bigger. So let me go to the download folder, and here I'm going to install my Xampp, right? So sorry for wasted your time. Yes, and then there are pretty basic steps. You need to click on next, and it will install it for you. So let me go to the existing one. Wait for a moment, why it takes too much time? Okay, wait for a minute to execute this Xampp server, and then yes, it's opening this one. And yes, it's open. Let's click on this continue again, same steps. Okay, and then here let's click on next, and now it's not going to throw us any error. Let's click on next, and yes, it's proceed. Click on this English. So let's uncheck this. It will, when you install this, it will open a website for you. Okay, so I'm not going to open this. So let's click on this next, And yes, now it's preparing to install. It will install the Xampp, and then we are able to open this Xampp through here by typing Xampp, right? So this app will be available here into our taskbar, not taskbar, it's a start bar. So this video is going bigger. So in the next video I'm going to tell you that how you can install this, how you can open the phpmyadmin and stuff like that. So I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.